好，各位觀眾大家好啊，同大家一齊繼續讀聖經，今日就繼續讀埋咧箴言嘅第30章啊，打住我嚟開始啦。
好，大家好。Proverbs 31. The words of Agur, the son of Jacob, from Massa. The men say, I'm full of weariness. O God, I'm full of weariness. O God, I have come to an end.
呢個就又換咗個人啦，呢個人就唔係嗰啲我好似未聽過，呢個就係雅基嘅兒子啊，古爾唔係亞古爾啊嘅言語就係真言。呢個人咧對以鐵和烏格講啊，咦？咁啊講咩咧？咁啊就係似乎就佢講嘅嘢啲中文冇譯到啊。
佢 King James 同 BBE 嘅人物係改咗嘅喎。King James 佢講乜嘢啊？個 word of Agur, the son of Jacob. Even the prophets, the man spake unto Ithiel，下邊冇 Ithiel 呢樣嘢嘅喎。
係咯，
Even unto Ithiel and Eucall，
冇咗呢啲人名啊，個 BBE 度，咁另外加咗
咁樣
一段嘢上去，
咁樣係 BB 特登寫錯啊，定係另有目的咧？
呢個唔知啊。總之而家我哋發覺啊，原來聖經啊係亂嚟噶啊，任佢點改啊。
32. For I am more like a beast than any man. I have no power of reasoning like a man。
我比眾人更愚笨啦，也沒有人的聰明。誒，呢個照譯喎，即係話咧 BBE 嗰句 O God O Lord 嗰啲咧就冇咗啦啊。
嗱，King James 寫得又係唔同喎。more like a beast 係 BBE 講，但係 King James 講咧係 more brutish，brutish 即係話比較粗魯咁解喎，唔係等於一個
係啊，
beast 喎，係
咩咯？
嘛
係咯。
？And have not the understanding of a man，即係話佢蠢咁解啦，即係話
啊，
佢
又粗魯又蠢啊，愚
又粗魯又
昧嘅
蠢。
啊
33. I have not got wisdom by teaching, so that I may have the knowledge of the Holy One。
我沒有學好智慧啊，也不認識至聖者啊，
OK，咁即係乜都唔識啦，係咪啊？
係啦，咁
大家但係能夠講得呢句說話，都唔蠢到去邊啦，係嘛？
而且仲要留低落嚟寫咗喺本書入邊嘅
呢個人好謙虛噃。
啊
34. Who has gone up to the heaven and come down? Who has taken the winds in his hand, prisoning the water in his robe? By whom have all the ends of the earth been fixed? What is his name? And what is his son's name, if you're able to say？
呢、個就問咗幾條問題啊。咁啊，誰升天又降下來，即係邊個上過天落過嚟啊？咁啊有啊，我哋大部分嘅今日嘅人都坐過飛機上過天落過嚟啊。咁啊，誰聚風在掌握中啊？邊個要吹風？大家啲洗完頭吹乾個頭個吹風機，我哋而家掌握在手中啊！誰包水在衣服裏？揾件衫嚟包住啲水。今日嘅衣服咧，譬如啲雨衣咧，就可以包住啲水噶。嗱，當然啦，當年佢哋織嗰啲布咧就係滲水噶，但係而家呢個包住啲水一樣得噶啊！誰立定地的四極？東南西北又錯啦啊！我哋知道咧，而家我哋喺地球上面咧，一路向東走，如果你夠長命夠腳力嘅話，兜翻轉頭都可以嘅啊！咁所以咧，佢就冇四極可言啦，北又係咁，南又係咁。他名叫什麼？他兒子名叫什麼？你知道麼？有邊人做到咧？咁樣嗱，當時可能真係冇人做到，所以咧呢個名揾唔到噶啦啊！
嗱，呢個咧就出咗個謎語出嚟。 咁但係喂，呢個人話 Who has established all the ends of the earth？佢唔知道呢個地球係圓噶噃。
係啊，
啊，all the ends 嗰啲係四極啦，中
嗯，
文咧就自己加上去嘅，就唔係叫四極。all the ends 係唔等於係四極噶嘛，係咪啊？如果有
係啊，
八極得唔得啊？16極得唔得啊？點解要整四極咧？而
嗯
家呢度咧就中文係自己係亂加上去啊。
嗯，
35. Every word of God is tested. He is a breastplate to those who put their faith in him。
神嘅言語句句都係煉淨的啊，投靠他的，他便作他們的盾牌。
係咪真嘅咧？唔
嗱，
清楚
佢
啊！
上你先講話，佢唔信神嘅話，佢淨埋第一句 I have no law, I may have knowledge of the holy,
佢蠢
I
到
have not got wisdom by teaching, so that I might have knowledge of the holy one。我冇學過㗎，我唔知啊，唔知，而家突然間就知啦啊！有神啊，神嘅語言句句都係練過嘅，簡潔清淨嘅啊，咁啊就投靠佢嘅話，你就乜都搞掂噶啦啊！突然間咁知嘢嘅，又話佢自己蠢，
36呢個咧就係扮豬食老虎噶啦，我諗計嚇。
係啦，嗯，
36 Make no addition to his word, or he will make clear your error, and you will be seen to be false。
啊，他的言語你不可加添啊，恐怕他責備你，你就顯為説謊言的啊！
係咪真係咁咧？喂，聖經改完又改，改咗幾多18次？究竟喂邊個責備你咧？似乎冇人責備你喎。啊，聖經都有好多
睇下呢個時
版本
代啦，
喎。
我哋而家呢個時代，我哋有得比較啊！喺倒翻轉頭啊，300-400年啦，或者500年、600年度啊，西方未有印刷術之前咧，神父講嘅嘢，你夠膽唔聽啊嗱？
嗱呢度咧就好簡單，呢個三個咩啫？一個 King James，一個 BB，一個 HB5啊。中文咧
嗯，
三個都會唔同嘅。點樣叫做話唔可以咩咧？唔
係咯，
可以改咧？37 I have made requests to you for two things. Do not keep them from me before my death。
我求你兩件事啊，咁啊，第一件就係在我未死之先啊，不賜給我，俾
你呢個人
咩佢咧？
仲喺度猜緊謎語喎。
嗯，
喂，嗱，而家呢個我係呢個蠢人啦，定係佢講緊個謎語入邊嗰個人咧？
我當係取人啦。
如果蠢人咧就啱啲喎，佢話
嗯
Do not keep them from me before my death。佢講謎語嗰人咧，可能已經死咗都唔定嘅喎，係咪啊
近就快死啦，佢而家就希望知道真相啊！
？38 Put far from me all false and foolish things. Do not give me great wealth, or let me be in need, but give me only enough food。
求你使虛假和謊言咧遠離我，使我也不貧窮，也不富足，賜給我需用的飲食。
嗱呢
夠就好啦
個咧，呢個又係咩啦？又係譯錯晒啦嚇。King James 嗰度寫咧就係 Feed me with food convenient for me，唔係啱啱夠或者俾多啲我，
我擘
係嘛？
大口你就要塞落嚟啦！convenient for me，
咁即係喂，咁即係我落街就要去便利店嗰度買嘢食，
啊！
我落街就要去食粉麵，我落街就可以食到咩都喂 convenient 啫喎，冇話俾你聽俾咩你食喎， 係嘛？
啊，亦都冇話夠唔夠喎。總之係
佢呢度話就係、啊，B 譯咗咧就係 give me only enough，唔好俾咁多啊，夠就得噶啦。
嗯，但係呢樣嘢就喺 King James 冇㗎。
39 for fear that I am full, I may be false to you and say, Who is the Lord? Or if I am poor, I may become a thief, using the name of my God wrongly。
啊，恐怕我飽足啊，不認你啊，就話耶和華係邊個咧？啊，又恐怕啦，我貧窮就去偷竊啊，以致咧就係、啊褻瀆咗我神嘅名。
喂，
原來係咁嘅。啊，你食飽你又唔認得神嘅，所以神唔可以俾你食飽啊。有冇俾
咁
你太窮啊？窮咧你又去偷嘢，
咁嗰個謎語係咪解咗咧？
未解，我覺得未解啊。
佢喺度講嘛，Who is the Lord？咁前面話喂呢個人係咩嘢啊？可以上天又落地嘅。咁咁呢度講者話喂呢個人就係耶和華啦，係咪咁講啊？
佢啊梗係想咁講啦，但係我哋發覺原來咧現代人個個都係耶和華，呢啲嘢做到噶啦已經。
30:10 Do not say evil of a servant to his master, or he will put a curse on you, and you will get into trouble。
啊，你不要向主人啊，就係咧講啲誹謗啊僕人，唔係邊個誹謗邊個？Evil of a servant to his master，你唔可以向主人誹謗僕人，好似調轉咗喎，同嗰個 BBE，恐怕他詛咒你，你便算為有罪。
嗱，呢句咧，我覺得就係睇 King James 講 accuse not a servant unto his master，咁即係有兩個僕人啦。咁一個僕人咧就去 accuse 另外一個僕人咧喺個主人面前講壞話，係咪咁嘅意思咧
可能係啦。嗯，
？30:11 There is a generation who put a curse on their father and do not give blessing to their mother。
呢度有一宗人啊，咁啊就本來 generation 之成代人啦，係咪？
係啊，
詛咒父親，不給母親祝福。
喂，嗱，以你嚟講下，上面嘅謎語算係解答咗啦，係咪啊？
冇咗下文啊，冇理到。咁
咁
啊，佢話
而家就
又提
咁而家就
另外一樣嘢
出咗個謎
出嚟啦。
語喎。
啊，
30:12 There is a generation who seem to themselves to be free from sin, but are not washed from the unclean ways。
有一宗人啊，自以為清潔，卻沒有洗去自己的污穢。
咁呢個我又唔明喎。佢自以為清潔，即係話唔污糟啦，點樣去洗自己嘅污穢咧？係咪？即係話喂，
你以為你沖涼沖得好乾淨，其實咧就有啲老泥未出手啊。
喂，
咁啊，
呢個係邊個講？係邊個知嘅咧？30:13 There is a generation of how full of people are their eyes, sorry, full of pride are their eyes, or how their brow are lifted up。
啊，有一宗人啦，眼目何其高傲啊，眼皮亦都係高舉啊。
仲未咩話？未曾揭曉喎。繼續
嗯，
30:14 There's a generation whose teeth are like swords, their strong teeth like knives, for the destruction of the poor from the earth, and those who are in need from among men。
有一宗人啊，牙如劍，齒如刀啊，要吞食地上的困苦人和世間的貧乏人。 咁呢個係即係幫啲窮人，抑或對啲窮人唔好咧？
嗱，我唔清楚，但係而家喂呢個謎語喂仲未曾講完喎。
啊嗱，
咁即係話
傾即係 devour the poor 啊，即係將啲窮嘅就 devour 即係冇咗啦，消滅啦。咁你呢個係如果係消滅貧窮，而唔係將啲貧窮人食咗咧，咁呢個好事嚟嘅。但係如果你係 devour the poor 將啲貧窮人食咗咧，將佢整死咧，咁係壞事。咁所以到底佢講嘅好事定壞事，我就唔知啊。
佢而家唔係講一個人喎，
成代人啊！
成代人喎。究竟我哋揾下答案先嚇。
嗱，有喺2020年喺中國有一代人將喺中國入邊所有嘅極窮人口清零啊！呢個係 devour the poor 啊，the poor 啊，即係將窮嘅冇咗。但係呢個唔係將啲窮人殺咗，而係咧扶貧啊。所以咧，我呢個問題就係你一個人啊，牙如劍，口如唔係齒如刀，咁呢個就係惡人啦，係咪啊？所以呢個 devour 就係嚼咗啲窮人啊！將啲窮人殺滅殺死，我唔知佢邊樣解法啦。
30:15 The night spirit has two daughters. Give, give, there are three things which are never full, even four which never say enough.
啊！突然間整個螞蟻出嚟嘅，唔係馬王啊，唔係螞蟻，馬王嘅有種動物係植物啊，佢英文叫做 horse leash 啊，就有兩個女啊，成日講啊，給啊給啊，有三樣都不知足啊，連不說夠的共有四樣啊，俾四樣佢都唔滿足啊，
喂，上面嗰個謎語仲未就
冇解
咩喎？
啊！
而家又整咗另一個新謎語喎。咁呢個新謎語 King James 同 BB 又唔同喎。咩叫 Night Spirit 咧？Night Spirit 係個名啦，定係咩咧？定係咩？係咩？係個人係定咩咧
嗯，
？30:16 The underworld and a woman without a child, the earth which never has enough water, and the fire which never say enough。
就係陰間同埋石胎啊，浸水不足嘅地並火啊，講乜嘢啊？陰間譯
嗱，
佢呢個係譯 King James 嘅
係啊，如果睇 King James 嗰度話 the grave 啊，即係話
啊
叫咩個墳墓啦嚇，
墳墓啊
同埋一
，Baron
個
Moon 就係生唔到小朋友嘅
女人
女人啊，
，the earth that is not filled with water and the fire that says not it is enough。我唔中意講乜嘢喎。
即係形容啲唔好嘅地方咯，即係陰間啦。咁啊，佢哋呢啲女人生唔到仔，認為係絕對係壞事啦。另外嗰個地咧就冇水，咁啊乾旱嘅就唔得啦，仲係啲火燒極都唔完嘅。咁啊，其實即係我諗佢呢個用嚟形容啲唔好嘅情況啊。
30:17 The eye which makes sport of a father and sees no value in a mother, and she is old and will be rooted out by the raven of the valley and be food for the young eagles。
嬉笑父親啊，藐視而不聽從母親的啊，他的眼睛必為谷中嘅烏鴉啄出去啊，為鷹吹所食啊！哇，
呢個係
咁樣吹
講邊？
奏㗎？
呢個係講邊一個啊？啊！突然間係整咗咁嘅嘢出嚟喎。
嗯，
30:18佢又咩啦？There are three things to wonder of, which overcomes me, even four things outside my knowledge。
啊，我所測不透的奇妙有三樣，連我所不知道的 共有4樣，哇！犀利啊！淨係唔知嘅嘢得3樣同4樣啫，其他乜都知晒，哎，犀利啊！
咁即係話呢個人唔係好蠢啦，係嘛？
係咯，
究竟佢講啲咩咧？3019 The way of an eagle in the air, the way of a snake on the rock, the way of a ship in the heart of the sea, and the way of a man with a girl。
就係咧，就呢4樣嘢啊！第一就係鷹在空中飛的道啊，啲鷹點樣飛，雀仔點飛啊，佢唔識㗎啊。第二就蛇在磐石上爬的道啊，蛇點去向前走咧？冇腳係咪？啊，第三就係船在海中行的道啊，船啊點行咧？啊，最後就係男與女交合的道，佢唔識呢4樣嘢啫，啊，其他嘢乜都識晒。
嗱，咁你唔知道呢啲鷹點飛，咁即係話你嘅 knowledge 就有限啦，係咪先啊？
係啊，啊，
你唔知道蛇喺度點行嘅，你又唔喺啲石頭上點行嘅，你又咁即係話喂，你話好，你話自己蠢，突然間又話翻自己即係4樣嘢唔識啫。咁呢4樣嘢咁簡單嘅嘢你都唔識，咁即係話蠢定係唔蠢咧？
其實呢個就反映出咧，就寫聖經嗰時啊，啲人嘅知識水平啊，呢幾樣嘢認為非常難嘅。但係咧，啊，去到今日啦，喺學校入邊啦，我諗三未必3、4年班嘅，去到中學讀物理嘅話咧，大約去到中四、中五度啦，就應該明白飛機點飛㗎啦。
3020 There's a way of a false wife. She takes food and cleaning her mouth, say I have done no wrong。
淫婦嘅道就係咁樣噶啦，啊，他食咗一把，嘴一擦就話咧，我冇行惡。
咁呢個即係想講咩咧？咁啊，只係話呢個叫做 adulterous woman，食完嘢咧就抹抹嘴。
咁人人食完嘢都抹抹嘴噶啦。
咁同佢講冇做壞事，有咩
呢度有
關係咧？
3樣嘢啊，一個就係呢個係女人被認為係壞人嚟啦，adulterous woman 啊，因為佢有多過一個老公啊。第二咧就係佢食嗰啲嘢之後就抹嘴啊，呢個係另一樣嘢。第三樣嘢就係咧，佢冇做嗰啲壞事。咁呢3樣嘢有咩關係？真係好似係 Jason 問責話齋，我都唔明啊。
都冇啦楞。3021 For three things the earth is moved, and there are four which will not put up with。
使地震動有3樣，連地擔不起的啊，共有4樣。咦？邊幾樣咧？
嗱，我唔知呢度啊，佢 King James 講咧就 Earth is disquiet，即係話咧個地球個地咧唔平靜，唔平靜係咪即係等於地震咧？唔清楚啊！
啊，
究竟喂係啲山石跌落嚟啊，得唔得啊？定係咩
或者
咧？定
流水潺潺咧都有聲㗎啊！
3022 A servant when he becomes a king, a king without sense when his wealth is increased。
你讀咗咩啊？
哦，3022嘛，
係 A servant when he becomes king，跟住 a man without sense when his world is OK，就係僕人做咗皇帝啊，如還人啊食飽。咩啊？譯咗 King James，即係你做僕人咧，你永遠唔可以做皇帝噶啦啊！ 你蠢咧就唔可以食飽。
喂，咁啊諗諗下，僕人喂，睇翻以前嘅故事咧，King James 嗰度咧，David 咧係點樣做皇帝㗎？佢係做僕人嘅喎，
係啊，
嚇。咁呢個即係唔知道以前講乜嘢啦。
啊呢、
咁即係話
個仲有一樣，
呢
佢呢個係講緊係地震三樣嘢、四樣嘢啊。究竟第一樣就係僕人做咗皇帝，呢、個唔得啦。第二樣蠢人食飽又係唔得嘅，因為呢兩樣嘢咧個地球咧都因為有呢樣嘢，地球會震噶啦，係咪咁啊？
嗱，佢 King James 嗰度講下就清楚啲啦。B.B 寫得糊里馬查。
係咯，
佢話 and a fool when he is filled with meat，即係話咧
食飽肉
呢個蠢人咧食飽咗咧就
就
就
就唔係好嘢啦，即係佢嘅講有三樣嘢地球頂唔順噶嘛。咁啊呢三樣其中就係牧人做咗皇帝啊，蠢人食飽啊，仲有咧
跟住咧 23. A hated woman when she's married, and a servant girl who takes the place of her master's wife。
啊醜惡嘅女子出嫁，婢女接續主母，
呢個
呢啲係地球上嘅四樣最會使到地震嘅嘢。
嗱，King James 嗰度講下，即係 audacious woman when she's married。喂，咁樣係呢個 audacious 係點樣影響到佢嫁唔嫁得出去咧？
唔知啊，
咁如果一個 handmaid is heir to her mistress，咁即係話呢個僕人咧就爬頭咯喎，係咪啊？
係啦，俾人哋爬一頭唔得嘅啊，
咁喂，咁人哋嗰個以前嗰啲人就係好多個老婆噶啦，
嗯，
係咪啊？
係咯，
咁係咪一定要喂大婆就一定係做皇后咧？如果做皇帝，或者係中意個二婆咧，二婆靚女咧，得唔得啊
唔得，跟佢呢度講唔得。
？24. There are four things which are little on the earth, but they are very wise。
啊，地上有四樣小物啊，但係甚聰明啊，四樣係咩咧？
嗱，喂，佢話 four things 喎，如果喺一個物件嘅時候，點會聰明啊？
嗱，嗰個物件就一睇落去咧，就係螞蟻係一件物件嚟嘅啊。
25. The ants are a people not strong, but they put by a store of food in the summer。
啊，螞蟻係無力之類啊，卻在夏天預備糧食。
其實唔係淨係螞蟻嘅喎，
其實如果嚴格嚟講，螞蟻嘅力量比起好多動物都強。你一個人啦嚇，普通人啦，你可唔可以一個人舉起三四個人啊？唔得，螞蟻得㗎，隨時得啊，即係隻
嗱，
螞蟻都得㗎。
佢呢度淨係講螞蟻啦，其實唔係一定嘅噃，蜜蜂都儲糧嘅喎，
係啊，
係咪？點解淨係識講螞蟻咧？個 little things，喂，蜜蜂唔係好大隻啫，係嘛
嗯，
？25 26. The conies are but a feeble folk, yet make their house in the rock。
沙番係軟弱之類，卻在磐石中造房。呢、個唔知係咩嚟㗎？沙番係咩嚟㗎？
唔清楚喎，要查一查 cronies 係咩嚟先
嗯，
等一陣望一望究竟 cronies 係咩嚟先啊？
誒，
Cronies cronies meaning crony 一就係咦喂咁唔係好啱
一隻
喎，crony 佢講係 close friends 喎。
呢度咧就係一隻老鼠咁上下嘅嘢，肥肥瘦瘦嘅。
嗱，如果佢呢度係講係啲close friend，咁佢話呢 close friend but 係 feeble folk，feeble folk 即係人嚟啦，係咪啊
係咯，
？Yet make their houses in the rock，咁呢啲人啊，都識得喺石頭上起屋喎。咁喂，咁即係識得起屋咧，喺個好穩陣嘅地方起啦，係咪啊？
係啦。
咁啊有咩唔妥咧？30:27 The locusts have no king, but they all go in the bands。
啊，蝗蟲就冇君王嘅，但係咧就識得分隊而出。
咁你想講乜嘢咧？
當然唔係分道而出啦，佢哋全部一齊出噶啦。可能佢講緊啲蝗蟲就係有一個方向咁樣飛，咁其實為咗要揾食，即係蝗蟲一飛到最近嘅食物，咁你落去食嘢，咁有你其他啲後邊跟住嚟啲蝗蟲揾唔到食啦，咁唯有就係喺你前面啦，咁你一路咁樣向前走咯，食到冇為止啦。所以呢個係大部分嘅動物都識做噶啦，唔需要皇帝指揮嘅，冇唔需要人嚟指揮嘅呢樣嘢。
30:28 You may take the lizard in your hand, but it is in king's house。
手工用爪刮爬牆，卻住在皇宮。
嗱呢度又係譯錯
換咗動
喎，
物添。King James 就係 spider 嚟㗎，
係啦。
咁去到 BB 變咗 lizard lizard 就係鹽蛇spider 蜘蛛，咁換咗動物啊。
30:29 There are three things whose steps are good to see, even four whose going are fair。
啊，步行威武嘅有三樣，連行走威武嘅一共有三四樣，即係話你有三四樣，我就講到咁樣樣。
佢講呢啲嘢係有咩意思咧？講到最後，咁
話俾
係
人知，我知道好多嘢我知道咧，螞蟻又好大冇力啊，不過佢哋會識做嘢食啊。呢啲你唔知，我知啊。咁啊講四樣，而家又講四樣俾人哋聽啦，即係好似唱山歌咁出個謎面，跟住自己答翻啊。
30:30
知唔知邊樣嘢就好威武咧？三樣講三樣或者四樣啦，咁樣跟住自己講翻。
30:30 The lion which is strongest among beasts, not turning from his way for any。
就係獅子乃百獸中最為猛烈，無所躲避的
似乎唔係噃，獅子都驚有啲動物噶噃。30:31 The war horse and the he goat and the king when his army is with them。
另外仲有就係獵狗、公山羊同埋無人能敵嘅君王呢四樣嘢就可以橫行無忌噶啦行起上嚟好威武嘅。我知你公山羊行起上嚟好威武。
嗱呢度King James 同 BB 又有分別啦。King James 講係 greyhound，我哋知咩叫 greyhound 啦。
一種狗啦
但係而家呢度講，喂 B 譯做 war horse 喎。
係咯，變咗戰馬
咁隻狗就，你即係之後呢隻 greyhound 咧， 就變咗戰馬啦，係咪咁解啊？
啊，係咯，
佢話呢兩樣動物咧喺皇帝面前咧都唔會反叛咁解啦。
唔係嗱，如果我解就咁樣，就係佢前面32:9度話咧，步行嘅威武嘅有3樣啊，但可能係4樣，咁即係我哋數3、4樣啦。第一樣就係獅子啊，百獸之王；第二就係狗啊，第三就係公羊，第四就係無人能敵嘅皇帝。呢4樣嘢咧就可以啊，行路好威武。呢個我咁樣讀啊。
嗱，我覺得咧就係我個睇法嚇，就係話呢啲獵狗咧同公羊咧喺皇帝面前咧，against whom there is no rising up，即係話咧喺皇帝面前咧就唔可能反抗啦。呢個我睇法咋？
啊，
咁嗰啲咁其他人係覺得點樣樣咧？信徒講呢個係佢講咩咧
係咯，或者問下你個教會入邊嘅牧師好、神父好啦，睇佢點解啦啊。
？32. If you have done foolishly in lifting yourself up, or if you have had evil design, but your hands over your mouth，
你若行為愚頑自高自傲，或者係懷咗惡念，就當用手揞住個口。
咁係咪即係話你做咗事咧唔出聲咁解咧
係啦，唔好出聲，你做衰嘢啊。
？33. The shaking of milk makes butter, and the twisting of nose make blood come. So the force of wrath is a cause of fighting。
要牛奶就出奶油，扭鼻子就出血，照樣激動怒氣就必起爭端。用
呢個
兩個例子嚟解，點解你唔好發嬲啊？因為發嬲咧就會起爭端，會打交啦。
喂咁前面俾兩個例子牛
冇用，
奶變奶
我唔
油，
知有咩用。
究竟係想講乜嘢咧？我真係唔明啊！
唔知
呢個成個 chapter 咧就係講啲謎語出嚟，但係咧又冇俾個答案噶噃。
啊，
佢講咗話，喂，一個上天落地嘅，我講嘅耶穌啦，跟住講一紮嘢，我又唔知邊個嚟嘅喎。咁喂，呢啲咁嘅比喻係想講咩咧？
唔知。
我要加啦，
好啦，咁啊就多謝大家，我哋下集同大家再見啦，拜拜。
拜拜。